Here comes Speed Racer. He's a demon on wheels. He's a demon and he's gonna be chasing after